Good morning all. So in today's class we will see a few more problems on sketching the curve. So the question is to give a graph of the polynomial and label the coordinates of the intercepts, stationary points and inflection points. So the function is p of x equal to x plus 1 whole square into 2x minus x square. So I have calculated the first and second derivative. So using product rule, so p dash of x will be 2 into x plus 1 into minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1. When you take the derivative, try to keep it as a factors itself. It will be easier to find the roots of p dash of x then again p double dash of x is so upon simplifying you will get minus 12x square plus 6. So let us find out what are the critical points. So p dash of x equal to 0 gives so one root is x equal to minus 1. Then for this quadratic equation the root is minus b, so that is minus 2 plus or minus root of b square minus 4. A is minus 2 into c divided by 2a. So you will get x equal to minus 1 and then minus 2 plus or minus root 12 by minus 4. So root 12 is 2 root 3. So 2 will cancel off. So you will get minus 1 plus or minus root 3 by minus 2. So the roots are going to be x equal to minus 1. Then you will get 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 and 1 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. So the critical points are so x equal to minus 1, then 1.366, then minus 0.366. So these are the critical points. Okay, and now let us see the critical points. They are maxima or minima. So p double dash of x is equal to minus 12 x square plus 6 varum, and you need to check for first p double dash of minus 1. P double dash of minus 1 is less than 0. Again p double dash of minus 1.366 edukumbo, again the first term will be bigger, but that will be less than 0, and p double dash of minus 0.366. So that is going to be greater than 0. So x equal to minus 1 and 1.366 are local maximum points, and x equal to minus 0.366 is minimum point. Okay, so we will get the local maximum and the local minimum points. So therefore the local maxima are, so let us write down the coordinates. X equal to minus 1 varumbam 0 avum. Then let us see what is the value at 1.366. So at 1.366 you have 4.848, that is the value. So that is the local maximum point, and local minimum is, so you need minus 0.366. so that is minus 0.366 and the value is minus 0.348. So those are the coordinates of the maximum and minimum. And again p double dash of x equal to 0 implies, so 12x square will be equal to 6. So x will be plus or minus 1 by root 2. So these are the inflection points. So therefore the inflection points are, so we need minus 1 by root 2, so that will be so inflection points will be minus 1 by root 2 എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ minus 0.7071 and minus 0.1642 and then you have plus 1 by root 2, so the point is 0.7071 and you will have 2.6642. so those are the inflection points. And now let us find out where the function is increasing and decreasing. Okay, so let us take p dash of x. So p dash of x is 2x plus 1 into minus 2x square plus 2x plus 1, so that is minus 2x plus 1, then 2 വെളിയിലെടുക്കുക ഈ ഓക്കെ മൈനസ് 2 ഇവിടുന്ന് വെളിയിലെടുക്കുമ്പോൾ so you will get minus 2 square, so that will give x square minus x minus 1 by 2. Okay, so therefore we have minus 4x plus 1 into, so this is x minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ റൂട്ട്സ് ഓക്കെ minus 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 and you had x minus 1 by 2 then minus root 3 by 2. So if you take on the real line, so you had minus 1 നമ്മുടെ റൂട്ട്സ് minus 1 1.366 and 0.366, so it was minus 0.366 and 1.366. For when x is less than minus 1, so let us look at the sign. So p dash of x minus infinity to minus 1, so minus infinity to minus 1, so you will be getting minus infinity to minus 1 എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടേം നെഗറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും, then second term will be negative and the third term is also negative. Okay, so the total term is going to be positive, so in the first interval it will be increasing. ഇനി രണ്ടാമത്തെ ഇൻ്റർവെൽ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ minus 1-നും 0.366-നും ഇടയിൽ എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ the first term will be positive ആവും, so negative, then you have positive, now this will be negative and this is negative, so that is going to be negative in minus 1 to minus 0.366 and in the next interval minus 0.366 to 1.366, so negative and positive sign, this will be positive and this will be positive and this is going to be negative, so you will get positive value. And അതുപോലെ when you have the interval 1.366 366 to infinity. ഇത് മൂന്നും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും. So here you have the negative sign outside. So this will be the behavior. So p dash of x will have this behavior. And now let us look at the concavity. For concavity you have p double dash of x. So p double dash of x is minus 12x square plus 6. So p double dash of x will be, so when you take minus 12 outside, you will get x square minus 1 by 2. So that will be minus 12 into x plus 1 by root 2 and x minus 1 by root 2. So let us see what is the sign of p double dash of x. So you have minus 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 edukumbo, so you have a negative sign, then again a negative sign, and all the three are negative, so you will get negative in that case. Now when you take in between negative sign under, this will become positive, then again you have negative. So the total sign is going to be positive, and when it is greater than 1 by root 2, ഇത് രണ്ടും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരിക്കും. So outside you have the negative sign. So when you take p double dash of x, so p double dash of x in the interval minus infinity to minus 1 by root 2 negative, and minus 1 by root 2 to 1 by root 2, it is positive, and 1 by root 2 to infinity, it is negative. So that is how the concavity is changing. Okay, so we have got all the information regarding the derivatives, and let us look at the intercepts. So intercepts were, okay, so you have p of x equal to x plus 1 whole square into x plus 1 whole square into 2x minus x square. So the intercepts, so x intercepts are the roots, so that will be minus 1 0, and you have 0 0, and you have 2 0. So those are the x intercepts, and y intercepts are, so for y intercept, so you will have x equal to 0, mean x is 0 ambo, again y value is, p of x value is 0. So that is the y intercept. And let us look at the end behavior. So when you take limit x tends to infinity, p of x, that will be equal to limit x tends to infinity, and now the highest degree term is minus x raised to 4, so minus infinity varum, again limit x tends to infinity, p of x will be limit x tends to minus infinity minus x raised to 4, that is again minus infinity. So the function decreases indefinitely as x goes to plus or minus infinity. So that is the intercepts and end behavior. And now ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഒരു കാര്യം ഇതിൽ നിന്ന് കിട്ടുന്നത് x equal to -1 is a multiple root. Okay. Multiple root of multiplicity 2. So therefore x-axis is a tangent of curve at x equal to 2. At x equal to -1. അപ്പോൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിസിറ്റി 2 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് കർവ് ക്രോസ് ചെയ്തില്ല, കർവിനെ ടച്ച് ചെയ്ത് പോകുന്ന പോയിൻ്റ് ആയിരിക്കും. സോ ലെറ്റ് us now draw the graph. So 0, 1, so let us mark the intercepts. So intercepts are 0, 0, then you had 2, 0 and -1, 0, and the y intercept is again 0, 0 തന്നെയാണ് y intercept വരുന്നത്. ഇനി let us mark the maximum and minimum points. Local maxima -1, 0, -1, 0 നമ്മൾ ഓൾറെഡി മാർക്ക് ചെയ്താണ്. Then 1.366 and 4.8. 1.366 and 1.366 and 4.8. So this is 2, 0, and the next point is -0.366 and -0.348. -0.366 and minus, so that will be somewhere here. Okay, and so that is the two maximum. ഒന്ന് ഈ പോയിൻറ്റും ഇതും റിലേറ്റീവ് എക്സ്ട്രീമ ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 3 റിലേറ്റീവ് എക്സ്ട്രീമ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്തു. ഇനി നമ്മുടെ ഇൻഫ്ലക്ഷൻ പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് -0.70യും -0.16, -0.70 and -0.16. So that will be somewhere here, and then you have .70 and 2.664. 0.720 and 2.66. So now let us join all the points. So all the points are completed. ഇനി നമുക്ക് ഇൻക്രീസിങ്ങും ഡിക്രീസിങ്ങും വെച്ചിട്ട് നോക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, So in the first interval the function is increasing, -1 വരെ increasing ആണ്, -1 വരെ increasing ആണ്. end behavior -ഇൻഫിനിറ്റിയിലേക്കാണ് പോകുന്നത്. 1-ലെത്തുമ്പോൾ maximum value attain ചെയ്യും. So the curve goes like this, and this is minus നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത മിനിമം പോയിൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഇനി ഈ പോയിന്റിലെത്തുമ്പോൾ മിനിമം ആവും. സോ ഡിക്രീസിങ് ആണ്. ഇനി അടുത്ത ഇൻ്റർവെല്ലിൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്, അപ്പോൾ ഇൻക്രീസിങ് ആവും. സോ ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് 1.366 വരെ. സോ ഇവിടെ നിന്ന് ഇൻക്രീസ് ചെയ്യും, അങ്ങോട്ട് പോവും. ഇനി ഇവിടെ എത്തുമ്പോൾ കോൺകേവിറ്റി ചേഞ്ച് ആവും. അഗെയിൻ (1.3662) to infinity. So up to 1.366 increasing ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ഇൻക്രീസിങ് ആയിരിക്കും. ഇവിടെ എത്തുമ്പോൾ പീക്ക് വാല്യൂ അറ്റൈൻ ചെയ്യും. ഇത് ഇൻഫ്ലക്ഷൻ പോയിൻ്റ് ആണ്. ഇവിടുന്ന് കോൺകേവിറ്റി ചേഞ്ച് ആവും. ഇനി decreasing, and it will reach 2, and it will decrease. Sorry, there is a little mistake. E point that is on this side, that's in the third quadrant. Okay, നമ്മുടെ ഒരു inflection point. So you have 1, then that point is somewhere here. So this is an inflection point. Minus 0.707 and minus 1.6. So that will be here. So this is the final required curve. ഇനി ഇവിടെ വരയ്ക്കുമ്പോൾ ഇത് പോയിൻറ്റഡ് അല്ല, ഇത് ഇച്ചിരി സ്മൂത്തായിട്ട് വരുന്നത് നിങ്ങൾ കറക്റ്റായിട്ട് വരയ്ക്കുക. Now I want you to do this problem as an exercise. So that is p of x equal to x raised to 4 minus 6x square plus 5. So try this out by yourself, and ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ എല്ലാ പ്രോപ്പർ എക്സ്പ്ലനേഷനോടുകൂടി ചെയ്യുക. So find the intercepts, find the end behavior, and analyze the derivatives, and then draw the graph. So with this we'll conclude. Thank you.